Hi guys, how you all doing? I'm Rick, welcome to the channel. I'm Mr. Curry Nice that was, okay, but on this channel I will show you how to make BIR. And today we are going to make mixed powder. We're going to make my mixed powder, okay? Now, back in the 80s or whenever, there was a show out in the UK. Now, I've been in Thailand for 17 years, so I can't really remember what happened back then. But there was a show out in the UK and it was all 3, 2, 1, okay? My mixed powder is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So if you remember that, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, what is the purpose of a mixed powder? What is the purpose of a mixed powder? Okay, right. A mixed powder is a chef's own special spice blend that he uses to cook his curries. This spice blend is not so much of a secret because everything that you use in your spice blend you can buy readily anywhere, but you cannot buy a mixed powder. Now, a mixed powder is a makeup of different spices and curry powder all together to make a spice blend which will accentuate and help with the flavors in your cooking. So that's basically what a mixed powder is. Now, every chef everywhere has a mixed powder. Can you make a curry without a mixed powder? Yes, you can. You can make a curry with a curry powder. However, 99% of BIR chefs have a mixed powder. It's spices they prefer in a particular ratio which helps them to produce the flavors that they like when they cook a BIR. Now, every BIR chef cooks more or less the same, okay? Every BIR chef has their own mixed powder. My mixed powder is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you have to remember this. Now you can do this in teaspoons, tablespoons, 100 grams, chef spoon, kilos, whatever. But it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so for mine, 5 coriander, 4 curry powder of your choice. Now here in Thailand, I don't get Raj and East End and all that. I get the curry powder that's in Thailand, okay? Now, that's what I get, that's what I use, okay? So 4 is curry powder, 3 is turmeric, okay? You need turmeric in there, you want the yellow color in there. Yeah, it's in curry powder, but you've got to be careful. You know, some people put more turmeric in their mixed powder, but you know, if you actually physically taste turmeric, turmeric tastes quite bitter. So you can actually, it's very good for you, but it tastes quite bitter. So if you put too much turmeric in, you will have a bitter taste, okay? 2, cumin, jeera, cumin, ground cumin, okay? Now cumin has a stronger flavor than coriander powder. So put less cumin in your mixed powder. And the last one is garam masala. Now garam masala, as we all know, is a mixture of everything. It's got pepper and star anise, cinnamon, cumin, coriander, everything in there, okay? A fantastic amount of different types of spices in one, okay? So here we go. 5 coriander, 4 curry powder, 3 turmeric, 2 cumin, 1 garam masala. So let's make it. Now I'm going to make it in 100 gram amounts. But like I say, either making teaspoons, making tablespoons, chef spoons, 100 grams, kilos, up to you. How much you use, up to you. I'm going to make it 100 grams so you can see right now. So let's make this. So this is our coriander, okay? This is in 200 grams. Okay, so what we got then? So now we want 100 grams. Okay, 500 grams of coriander powder. So that's 500 grams of coriander powder. Okay, reset our scale. Now this is the curry powder I'm using. Okay, it's a Thai curry powder. If I can get into it with my stubby little fingers. Okay, now we want 400 grams. Here we go, 400 grams. Exactly. Now we want 300 grams of turmeric powder. Now, this turmeric is in 250 grams. So that's 250 grams. So we need another 50 grams. Reset the scale. Another 50 grams. So now we want 200 grams of cumin powder. And obviously this cumin powder is 1 kilo. So reset the scale. I love that smell. Okay, and we want 200 grams. And then we want 100 grams of garam masala. Now, I'm going to use this garam masala, mother's garam masala, and it is 50 grams. So I want 2 packets of this in my spice mix. Okay, 2 packets in our spice mix. So if we add that up there should be 1,500 grams of spice, 1.5 kilos of mixed powder. There we go, 1,542. So give or take a couple of grams on the weight of this bag. That is our spice mix. So I'm using a Ziploc bag, so we need to seal it up. Make sure it's tight. We're going to start with the old shaky shaky. There we are, guys. 1.5 kilos mixed powder made, ready for our curries. Give it a taste. That tastes phenomenal, but there is a slight bitter aftertaste, slight bitter, and that will be the turmeric. In fact, that might be whatever's in this, okay, whatever's in this curry powder. So give it a taste. Yeah, the bitterness is probably from this. It's carrying a bit of salt too. It's actually quite nice. Now, what I will say, guys, you ain't gonna get food poisoning by tasting your mixture, okay? Don't be frightened to taste your mixture. You know what it's gonna be like. Don't be frightened to taste it. Okay, there we go, made. Now, if you like the recipe, guys, don't forget like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next part where we make a curry base. So if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget like and subscribe. Catch you next time.